Hey guys, Chad with Rustless Rides. I've got another Toyota truck here on the rack. I want to give you a quick walkthrough here real quick on what to look for if you're looking to buy one of these older trucks or any of the full frame trucks or SUVs. Okay, there is apparently a rust proofing recall or service bulletin that Toyota is doing. This is it. They're drilling a hole through the side of your main structural frame to put on a piece of plastic when this is drilled and grounded for a nutsert to put on the inside of the frame that's not as structural. I've got nothing wrong with these guys, but this is ridiculous. They're plugging all the holes. They're plugging all the weep holes. Okay, they're sealing in some of the seams. I guess this one didn't matter. The inside of here doesn't matter. And then from here on back, I guess you're on your own. So guys, this is a quick and easy what to look for on these Toyota trucks when you're looking at them, because there's a lot of different layers, a lot of different things to look at. So if you're looking at these and you want to purchase one, or if you're trying to make yours last as long as you can, contact us today and we can get you in and scheduled and get you undercoated. So the proper stuff is critical. So talk to you soon.